Good evening, everyone. I'm glad I have come. I'm glad I have come. And we are trying to just get ourselves together because tonight, I don't know how we get on so far, but tonight, them picnic gonna be using a Viewmaster for the first time. You know what is a Viewmaster, Cassie? All right, so I'm gonna show them what is this is a Viewmaster. When we've been small, this was the thing. If you had this, it was a big shot.
This is like something you watch movies in?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, that is something. Wait, me put in nothing yet.
You ain't put nothing in my
I ain't put anything in it yet. So, let me show you how it used to work. So, the Viewmaster, I got two in it. So, all two are going, what we want, each person reaction separate. So, I got to do one at a time. So, what you would do, we had the movie, like the film on these things. Mm-hmm. And what you would do.
Is there anything on there right now?
In here, peep in.
No, on here.
Yes, you're going to look at that by itself. Peep in. Let you peep in.
Take off your glasses.
You ain't seeing nothing, right?
No, well, I'm seeing like a screen. That's all.
You're seeing a screen?
Yeah.
Mikey, move your hands. All right, so look at this now. This is the slide. Mikey, you take one and look at it. Just hold it up in the light and look at it. Cassie, you look at one too. Look at it in the light there so you can see the different things on it. You see?
Yeah.
So what we used to do is these little things here. Now find the part of the Viewmaster that has the two like the two triangle on it. Mm-hmm. All right, and then hold it facing you so you're seeing all the words and everything at the front. Okay. So who are we putting which one first? Want me putting the one you watching or the one Mikey? Who am going in first?
So the Magic School Bus.
Good. All right. So you see that got a point up. So when you put it in like this, you gotta click. Here, make the click sound. And now you're gonna hold it to your eye like this. Wait just now. And then each time you want the picture change, you're gonna turn it. Wait, let me see. I don't think it clicked yet. Let me see.
It did.
Okay, good. All right, start watching it and just give me a reaction. What?
It's like my own personal TV. It's so cool. I don't even know how they stop doing that.
But you wait, let her see it. What do you think?
So I don't even know how they got this to.
What?
No, like you can't see yet.
You not seeing it?
No, I am. I say I don't know how they got it to do that.
To what?
To make all the.
Mm-hmm. We doing good. We going good. Make sure them picnic out for use of Viewmaster. What?
No, it doesn't matter. I've never seen this in my life.
So what you think about it?
It was very cool. I mean,
You think
I can
it's cool?
see why people would think you're a big shot.
Wait, Mikey, what?
Wait, Mom, I'm gonna get the Batman one.
Okay, Mikey, wait. I'm gonna give Mikey, but I want Mikey reaction different. So let me wait till Cassie is finished. Good. Mikey, you don't want to see that one? Okay, good. Okay,
Very
good.
cool. Wow.
Mikey, put that one in there. So Cassie, choose a different one from the packet that you would like to watch. Wait, put in Mikey, make sure it click. Look. Good night, good night. Cassie, you choose. This is the packet we have with all the Viewmasters. And now Cassie is going to choose the next one that she wants to watch. Wait, it click?
You see
No,
it?
but I'm seeing.
How is it, Mikey?
Wow.
Come, put in the stay in the light so they can see. How is it?
Oh my god.
What?
Oh my god.
What?
It's like I'm just seeing everything.
You think it's cool?
Like, I wonder if they're gonna see.
No, they can't see like
Yes,
that.
Mom, I think they're seeing.
No, they can't see it like that. They can't see
I
it
know
like that.
they might.
No, just look at it.
I'm watching Batman.
Oh, you feel watching Batman? Choose another one, Cassie. Mikey, wait, let she choose another one. How is it? Good night, good night.
I'm thinking if I click fast enough,
It's gonna
it's
look
just
like
gonna look like a real movie.
real movie. All right, so choose. When Cassie done choose, you choose the next one. So you gotta look at the name. So that's so come hold it in the camera, man. Don't hold it outside the camera, so she can see. Okay, so this one is the 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. No?
That sounds interesting.
What about this one? Is Mickey and the Dinosaur.
She'll do this one, the Lancelot Link.
You know this
Chip.
one?
No. But
Okay, good. All right.
Something fell out.
Oh gosh, which one it followed from? Oh gosh, where the bag? Pass the bag. I'm gonna just put it in the bag and then we're gonna find that one back. Okay, good. So put this one in there. Remember to turn it all up like that.
I know how to do it. This is Mickey and the Dinosaurs.
That's Mickey and the Dinosaur. Okay, good.
This is another Mickey and Dinosaur.
Wait, do you think click?
I think it's
Okay, good. See if you
yeah.
see it. It's seeing good?
Yes, I'm seeing it.
You're seeing it?
I don't know how they were able to
What?
You want to see these
get it,
photos?
like get these photos like this.
It's nice.
Mm-hmm.
That's our generation. Do you think it would have been cool in your generation too?
I think it would. I think this could make a comeback.
You think so?
Mm-hmm.
Cassidy says she thinks it can make a comeback. Yes, let's see.
This would trend really well.
You think so?
Yeah, this is. I think it's very cool.
Which one you want, Mikey? Mikey, you gotta make a choice. You wanna watch this one, eh?
What's that one?
20,000 Leagues Under the Sea? No?
Did you have one of these growing up?
No, I never had one, but I used to watch other people on. Oh, wow. This one is nice.
Which one is this? 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea?
Yeah, I want you to watch it. You must see how beautiful it is. Oh, wow. This, oh my gosh. Cause imagine in our days, and you got one of this. Can you imagine how beautiful you will feel? Look, good. You watch this
I
one now.
just finished Batman and watch.
Where's this now?
A little Batman.
Good. Make sure you watch it when we get your reaction to it.
This one does. I thought it was gonna. Oh, they're battling the. Like here, my way.
So in this video, them picking a use of Viewmaster for the first time, and they're so fascinated by it. They are so fascinated by the Viewmasters.
Oh my god.
What?
It's Casper.
Huh?
It's Casper.
Casper the ghost?
Yes. You got pointed towards me like that.
When did these come out? Like what year?
You guys remember what year we've been starting use Viewmaster? Was it the early 80s?
Power Rangers.
Was it the early 80s? Somebody tell me, was it the early 80s? How we've been so fascinated? And you watch this one where you don't watch that too.
You were watching Sesame Street?
Huh?
Wow.
What?
This is
You're
like
getting
stuff that
eaten
existed.
alive by an octopus.
I know about Bernstein version. I've seen Bugs Bunny, Power Rangers, all that stuff. It still exists back here.
I have failed.
And Elmo.
Yes. Gotta be the late 70s. Enrico says it was the late 70s, and Mahesh says it was in the 90s. In the 90s. Why you wowing? So I want you to give.
I've never seen like
You
a
have
miniature
got to
TV.
try Lancelot.
Uh-huh.
I've already seen. I've never seen like a mini TV with like illustrations and just knowing that these existed back in the day. So.
Like, I never
So
knew you guys
cool.
had this type of technology.
You think it's.
Wait, is it with the chimp?
Yeah.
Oh, I've seen that one already.
All right, wait, let's see.
Yeah.
You guys are gonna watch. They're gonna watch one more. Let me see which one. I choose in the last one. Yeah, I'll watch it.
She's choosing the last one.
We just now. The Magic
Yes,
School
it's
Bus.
not
Yes, the Magic School Bus. I get that. New Orleans
Someone
Square.
still has theirs.
Oh wow. Enrico said way before the 90s. Okay, this one here is Mickey Mouse birthday surprise. Mickey and the dinosaur. You see Batman already.
Wait, did you have like a favorite?
The little
kind
yellow
that you used to
dinosaur.
watch?
No, what happened is that when people bring their Viewmaster to school, right? You had like a line because not everybody had. Like people who had relatives in the United States or Canada or England, they would send it for them. So when they come to school, they are like the big shot. Y'all remember that? They were like the big shot with the Viewmaster. You remember that? And then so you used to get a little peep in from them. You understand? They would allow you for look. Batman and the Magic School Bus. Let's watch the Magic School Bus.
Oh, I find where it comes from.
You know Pinocchio?
Oh, I'm gonna put it back in there. Okay, it's from this. That's Pinocchio. Put a different one in. Yes. So the children really think that this is cool. They really think it's cool.
Wait, so this had no, like, did you guys create the stories in your head?
No. Like, what do you mean in terms of image? Just
No,
watching?
like audio.
No, there was no audio. You just watch it and
okay.
imagine. You have to use like your imagination. That was it. You just watch it. You use the imagination, and that was it.
I'm watching a Mickey Mouse episode.
Uh-huh. they love the thing. Yes, so I need you guys' feedback now. So we are going to talk now about their feedback, what they feel about the Viewmaster. Okay? And then I'm going to come on and do a different kind of life with you guys after that. Okay? Yes,
Mikey, why don't you go first?
Mikey, so tell me, what is your, what do you think of the Viewmaster?
I'm watching something without a TV. And it's crazy. Remember that? I could watch something without a TV.
Uh-huh.
I'm watching Mickey Mouse.
So, do you like it? Is it something would
They
you have liked? No, they can't see that. They cannot see it like that. No, they cannot see it like that. No, they cannot see it like that.
Yeah, I just tried it.
What?
They
No.
can.
They can see it?
Yes.
If
Try.
you
Just be careful with the island. You see? Oh, they can.
Oh yeah, they see it a little bit, yes. Okay, I see.
You gotta get good light. It can.
Okay, good.
Oh, maybe because my hand is blocking it. I see it clear.
Yes. So what else you think about it?
I think it's pretty cool. Can I keep this?
No, you cannot keep it. You cannot keep it. No.
Can I watch the rest of it?
Yeah, you can watch the rest of it when we're finished. All right. Okay, Cassidy, what is your idea? What are your thoughts on the Viewmaster?
Oh, like Mikey, I think it is very cool. I know that there was a time when like TV didn't existed and other stuff, but I didn't know that there was other forms of technology that people use to entertain them, like kids use to entertain themselves. So this is I knew like film existed where people used to take pictures on, but I didn't know that it can be used for like little tiny video or pictures, which is wow. I think that would make I think that could make a comeback.
You really think so?
I really think so. That is very cool.
You think it's cool? Well, guys, in this video, my children, they were introduced to the Viewmaster for the first time, and they really like it to the point where they think that it would actually make a comeback.
I think people could like put on the film like pictures they have of their friends, and then like look at past pictures or stuff like that.
Okay, and see it big.
Yeah.
Okay. So it can make a comeback, but say like
No, I think it can make a comeback just the way it is. But I'm just saying like other ways people can use it as well.
Okay. Wow. Yes. So this was what we used. You were so happy when somebody had one.
Mm-hmm.
You used to try to be their friend. Sometimes they get you. Sometimes you are the person who hold the slides.
Wow.
And just being the one who hand the slides. And sometimes you stand up there long. And then you don't get to see nothing by. But, that is the Viewmaster. They like it, guys. They like something from our time. I actually bought them.
Wow.
I bought them because
they had it for all these years.
No. I personally never had one, but I really want to show the kids in Guyana who has never seen it. Yes, so
really nice.
I want, when they come to our Awi Story Live. Wait, just now. What she said?
Yeah, bring it back. She wanted to see.
Okay, good. Mikey said bring it back. Okay, who wants to see Loretta? Okay, good. So what you do, you put it in like this and put it in like that. Mikey gonna show you now.
Oh Lord.
Okay, I got it.
That is not my fault.
Okay, good.
Okay, you guys see it?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes, so that's it there. And thank you so much for watching. And thank you guys for giving your reaction to this.
Problem. It was
Thank you so
fun.
much. It's very fun.
Yes.
You like it? Okay. All right. Tell them tata.
Tata.